I am in the e-learning industry. My title is Manager of Learning Technology Experience and Process, and I work for the Center for Creative Leadership, which is a nonprofit that does global leadership training, management consulting, that kind of thing. So I work on our digital learning platform, and I'm sort of a product owner of the platform, and I also manage a group of content managers. Our organization uses SharePoint to house department and team specific informational pages. I find SharePoint to be extremely not user-friendly. I tend to avoid working in SharePoint as much as possible, if I'm being honest, because I don't find the user interface to be very intuitive. I am actually the manager of our team's page, and whenever I have to go and make updates there, I'm a very tech savvy person, and I generally find myself way more frustrated and confused than I feel like I should be. But yeah, I have issues with it. I'm not really a fan. So I don't know how much of this has to do with our metadata and taxonomy skills at the organization where I work, but I've found that searching for information on SharePoint can be, I'll put in some keywords to search for something, and then I'm never getting back what I expect. So like I said, this could be the fault of our organization and just not having those keywords put in place that they need to. So I wish that this search functionality was better. Nothing off the top of my head. Again, I feel like if our organization was more organized and was actually using it the way it's intended, it might, I might have a better experience with it. Lately, we've been using sort of the like news feed feature, which I think is helpful to be able to like collate all the different news items that are related to our team and have them in one central place. So that's good. I have some familiarity with WordPress. I think that for me, it's easy for me to like, because I work on learning management systems where we have a lot of data that we put in on the back end, but then it's themed to look differently to the end users. And that's my experience with WordPress. And I like that. I think that SharePoint is trying to put a lot of functionality into one theme. And I think that that can sometimes cause frustration for those who are trying to actually edit the content because it's not as clear as it could be. I think I'd probably give it a 4. I think that it has a lot of potential to be really helpful, particularly to an organization like ours, but there's a steep learning curve when it comes to actually managing things on the system itself.